Today we're taking a look at the Reolink Home Hub, a powerful central device that seamlessly integrates with Reolink cameras like the Argus 4 Pro and the E1 Zoom to create a simple, secure, and local all-in-one home security solution.
So if you're ready to take your home security to the next level, stick around and let's get started. Thanks to Reolink for sponsoring this video.
First up, let's unbox the Reolink Home Hub. This is the centerpiece of our security system. Inside the box, we have a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, a 64GB micro SD card, a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time, and the Home Hub itself.
Setting up the Home Hub is a breeze. Just plug it in, connect it to your router using the Ethernet cable, follow the instructions in the Reallink app. The app walks you through the process step by step, so even if you're not tech savvy, you'll have it up and running in minutes.
The Reolink Home Hub offers encrypted local storage using exclusive anti-theft algorithms, and it creates a local LAN network enabling your security cameras to function seamlessly without the need for an internet connection. It also comes with the included 64GB micro SD card to get you started, and there are 2 micro SD card slots on the back, allowing you to expand your storage up to 1 TB.
And you can connect up to 8 cameras, and it's compatible with most Reallink cameras, including PoE, plug-in Wi-Fi, and most battery-powered Wi-Fi cameras.
The Home Hub offers high-resolution support up to 16 megapixels, ultra-high definition video quality, and dual-band Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi 6 for better connectivity. And with just a few taps on the Reallink app, you can effortlessly access your ultra-high definition live feeds and playback from multiple devices.
You'll be able to keep your recordings safe with local offline storage, and you don't have to worry about data loss. Even if your network goes down, you'll have peace of mind that your videos are safe, secure, and accessible.
The Reolink Home Hub features a comprehensive alarm system with customizable alerts, allowing you to receive tailored notifications for significant events and create automated responses, such as triggering lights or sirens when an alarm is activated, ensuring a responsive and adaptable home security system.
The Reallink Home Hub's user management system allows for multi-user access via the Reallink app, enabling you to create multiple user profiles and customize permission for family members, roommates, or those trusted individuals. This feature ensures secure, encrypted data sharing, personalized notifications, and detailed activity logs, enhancing both convenience and transparency. The Reallink app is where you can really see the power of the Home Hub. With the app, you can view live footage from all your connected cameras, receive instant alerts when motion is detected, and even playback recorded videos. The app is user-friendly and is available on both iOS and Android, so you can monitor your home from anywhere, anytime.
Now let's talk about how to connect your Reolink cameras to the Home Hub. It's super simple and only takes a few steps. Open the Reolink app and tap on the plus sign in the top right corner to add device. Scan the QR code on your camera and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Home Hub.
And within a few moments, your camera is connected to the Home Hub. And it's the same process applies to any other Reallink cameras you have.
We're using the Reolink Home Hub in combination with the Argus 4 Pro and the E1 Zoom camera to create a comprehensive home security system. The Argus 4 Pro is perfect for outdoor use, while the E1 Zoom is ideal for indoor monitoring.
And the Argus 4 Pro has some truly impressive features. It's completely wireless thanks to its rechargeable battery, and it also has solar power charging. It features a 5120 by 1440 resolution, it has color night vision, and it has a PIR sensor, so that's going to reduce those false alarms, and it has accurate motion detection. Next up, we have the Reallink E1 Zoom. It features 5 megapixels resolution, it has 3 times optical zoom, a 355-degree pan, and a 50-degree tilt, making it ideal for a comprehensive view of your home's interior. Okay, to sum it up, the Reallink Home Hub, combined with up to 8 Reallink cameras, provides a robust all-in-one security solution for your home. You get high-quality video, reliable performance, and easy setup. The Home Hub ensures seamless integration, and you control all your cameras, making it easier than ever to keep your home safe. And you have encrypted local storage, and best of all, no monthly fees.
So if you're interested in upgrading your home security, check out the Reolink Home Hub and their range of cameras. We've included links in the description below, so be sure to check those out.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.